In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a domain to another project using your website builder. This step is essential if you're reorganizing your projects or need to allocate a domain to a different site. Let's get started by logging into the website builder. First things first, you need to access the website builder platform. Open your preferred web browser and head to the website builder's homepage. Once there, you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Enter your username and password to gain access to your account. Take a moment here to ensure that your login credentials are entered correctly to avoid any hassle with account access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Look around to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already done so. Now, from the main dashboard, you'll want to head over to the domain settings. You can usually find this section as either a tab on the left-hand side or as part of the menu bar at the top of the page. Clicking here will take you to a dedicated section for managing your domains. Within domain settings, you'll see a list of all the domains currently associated with your account. Here you can view important details like expiration dates or renewal options. But today, we're interested in reassigning a domain. Scroll through your list until you locate the domain you'd like to assign to another project. Take your time to make sure you're working with the correct domain, as proceeding with the wrong one could lead to unintended changes in your project setup. You'll then want to select the option that allows you to change the domain's assignment. This is often represented as an edit function or a settings icon near the specific domain. Clicking here should display a few options, among which you'll see a selection to assign this domain to another project. This feature is convenient for managing multiple projects or when you acquire a new project and wish to utilize an existing domain. After selecting the appropriate project from the list available, double-check your choice to make sure everything is as it should be. It's always a good idea to verify that you've selected the correct project, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Finally, you'll need to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which might be at the bottom or top of the settings area, and give it a click. This ensures that your new settings are registered and that your domain is officially reassigned to the new project. And there you have it. You've successfully reassigned your domain to another project. Now you can focus on the reasons why you came here in the first place, whether it's revamping your site, launching a new feature, or simply organizing your digital assets more effectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy building!